As 2015 comes to a close, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of our alumni for being such wonderful ambassadors for SIU and for your support of our students and programs. Many of you know that we have new interim leadership at SIUC and at SIUE, and we will begin 2016 with a new dean of the School of Medicine. Let me take this opportunity to again thank Dr. Kevin Dorsey for his leadership of the school over the past 14 years. Fortunately, Kevin will continue to share his expertise as he has done throughout his 37-year career with the medical school as a faculty member in Springfield. These three new leaders are very accomplished and highly respected on their campuses and in their disciplines. We are fortunate that they have agreed to serve, especially at a time of significant challenges for the SIU system and more broadly, higher education in general. So I thought you would enjoy hearing each of them talk briefly about their key priorities. Dr. Jerry Cruz, our next dean and provost of the School of Medicine, brings to the job significant expertise in education and patient care, as well as strong knowledge in healthcare policy and the population health needs of our area. Jerry, who is a professor of family medicine, first joined the school in 1984, and he has served as the medical school's executive associate dean, as well as the chief executive officer of SIU Healthcare since 2013.
Hello. My name is Dr. Jerry Cruz. I'm the incoming Dean and Provost of the SIU School of Medicine and CEO of SIU Healthcare. In this time of budgetary uncertainty, it is most important that the School of Medicine and SIU Healthcare become a more effective, efficient, and equitable organization. I'll give you an example of each. Effectiveness. This year, the SIU School of Medicine will implement a major curricular change with two parts. One, a new curriculum in the first 3 years to improve critical thinking skills, and two, a completely revamped Year 3 curriculum to provide our students with more experience in exemplary clinical practices. Efficiency. We will continue the process of consolidation, as we have already done for information technology, to reduce duplication and to streamline function, both internally and with our partner or institutions in the region. Equity. Many people who need care in our region do not get it. We will place a new emphasis on the care of populations, on our responsibility to communities, and on access to care for people who are most vulnerable. We are passionate about fulfilling these goals.
At SIU Edwardsville, Interim Chancellor Stephen Hansen is serving a one-year appointment, and we have initiated the national search for the next permanent chancellor. Many of our Edwardsville alumni know Steve. He's a former dean of the SIUE Graduate School and history professor in the College of Arts and Sciences. In fact, he had just concluded a 7-month stint as the interim dean of that college when the Board of Trustees appointed him as interim chancellor in August.
SIUE has a number of strengths of which we are proud. We have strong enrollment, the highest it's been in our 58-year history, significantly improved retention and graduation rates, a safe environment with strong support services for students, and an outstanding faculty. These strengths have been recognized nationally by the U.S. News & World Report, the National Science Foundation, and Washington Monthly. The fiscal crisis in Illinois is unprecedented, and SIUE, like the other public universities, face daunting challenges. Nevertheless, with the support of the alumni and building upon our strengths, SIUE is not only going to survive these challenges, we are going to thrive. And we're going to thrive by building upon the quality programs that we have, the outstanding faculty, and by enhancing the environment that enables students to learn. As Peter Drucker once said, the best way to predict the future is to create it. And that, my friends, is what SIUE intends to do by providing an excellent education. Thank you.
The SIUC community welcomed Brad Caldwell back to campus as interim chancellor on October 1st. Just like at SIUE, Brad is no stranger to the Carbondale campus. He served as a faculty member and administrator for 14 years before leaving in 2010 to become Dean of the College of Education and Human Development at Bowling Green State University in Ohio. Brad is serving a 2-year appointment, and we will continue to keep you posted as the search for our next permanent chancellor unfolds.
Let me begin by thanking you, our loyal alumni, for your continued support of our students and our university. And on a personal note, I have been extremely gratified by your words of encouragement since my return to the campus as interim chancellor on October 1st. I want to reiterate something I've been saying throughout the fall. SIU will always be here, and we will continue to invest in the campus. We know what our challenges are, especially related to state funding, but there are still key initiatives, key hires, and proactive decisions that must remain a part of the conversation. The lack of a state budget continues to be a significant concern. We're working collaboratively across the campus to conserve spending, and earlier this year, we implemented a significant cut to our budget. Even when we do have a state appropriation, it will be less than last year's, and next year's may be more challenging. But if there is a silver lining, it is that we are looking inward to investigate how we can be better at what we do. With that comes the need to be open to new ideas, to doing new things, and to think entrepreneurially while maintaining our focus on the mission, traditions, and character of our university. Part of the financial picture relates to enrollment, of course, and we are spending a great deal of time on our strategies to recruit and retain students. Strong advising, student engagement, and a supportive learning environment are all key elements to our strategy. There is also a robust examination underway, led by our faculty, of our academic strengths and weaknesses so we can make appropriate adjustments. And while we continue to assess all aspects of our operations, our priorities will always include our research enterprise, our relationship with the region, and our engagement with alumni and friends and other areas that are core to who we are and to our success. I'm fully confident that together we will continue to move SIU forward. My wife, Mary, joins me in wishing you a wonderful holiday season and a healthy and peaceful 2016.
Jerry, Steve, and Brad bring tremendous leadership skills to their positions and a collaborative approach that will serve faculty, staff, students, and our communities well. Each of our campuses is in very capable hands, and I have every confidence in the future of the SIU system. As the holidays near, I hope you're able to take the time to relax and enjoy this wonderful season with family and friends. My wife Rhonda joins me in wishing all of you a 2016 filled with good health and peace.